Meanwhile, air conditioners are starting to work overtime this week. Scott Paget, more of the heat to come?
Yeah, we have the heat dome building its way on in, Doug, and we're going to see that really affect our weather going towards the end of the week and those temperatures. Let's talk, though, with the latest information. As you were just mentioning, Tropical Storm Cristobal that now is continuing down there near the Bay of Campeche, made its way on shore. So let's take a look at the latest information coming from the National Hurricane Center. You can see that the winds are sustained at 45 miles per hour, and it's stationary. That's going to cause a lot of flooding, a lot of rain falling, but then going through the next 24 hours to 36 hours, continuing over the west sides of the Yucatan Peninsula, and then by Friday evening, back out over the warm Gulf waters. It will gain some strength by Saturday into Sunday, approaching, looks like right now, the Louisiana coastline as the forecast models are coming into a bit more agreement, and then making its way on shore late Sunday and then into Monday, downgrading to a tropical depression. But you notice, if it takes that far left track, it would work its way into parts of Texas. If it takes the perfect center track, making its way through parts of central, then northern Louisiana. And here are those forecast models that I'm talking about. When you look at this with me, if you see all those lines come together, that means there's more consensus, and that's what's happening on the 5-day period, 5 days from now. So that will have effect on our temperatures. More on that in a second. Today we saw a lot of sunshine, a mix of sun and clouds through the afternoon hours. You see the shadows there of the buildings of downtown Fort Worth and the sun reflecting off of the Trinity. So it was a warm day today with our high temperatures across North Texas. Almost every reporting station in the low to the mid 90s. So it was very warm, and right now we're still sitting in the upper 80s at Dallas to 81 in Denton, with those south winds holding on and mainly clear skies. More sunshine on the way tomorrow, but tomorrow morning it's going to be a warm morning, 74 degrees to start out to 75, and then we make it up to 95 to 96, even warmer than what we saw today. The heat index, what it feels like to you, is also going to rise, so please keep that in mind. So we have the heat continuing to build its way in the next few days as a ridge of high pressure sits overhead. You notice that as we take a look at this, not a lot of rain in the forecast going through Friday into Saturday, but then into Sunday. You can see right there, there is Tropical Storm Cristobal making its way on shore. This forecast model by Monday evening continuing to make its way inland to the northwest, possibly on the border of Louisiana and East Texas. So our east sides of North Texas possibly on Monday evening, Monday day to Monday evening, seeing some rain in the forecast. But as this lifts its way then off to the east into the northeast, we'll see a lot of dry air on the left-hand side, the backside of that tropical system, and that will heat up pretty quick. So you see on the 7-day forecast, we warm up, almost stair-stepping each day, 96 Friday, Saturday, Sunday still 95, a bit more cloud cover. Now Monday kept 92, but depending on the exact track of Tropical Storm Cristobal, we might need to lower that number if we have more rain and more clouds. But then after that, I talked about that dry air on the backside, 98 is my forecast. One forecast model said 104. Not going there. Hope we don't get there. So 98 Tuesday, then by Wednesday, 94 degrees.